Welcome back, guys, to Maggy Films. And from your see the face and you hear the voice, you don't know it's a girl Tia. And we're here with
Alia. So guys, I want to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, grandmother, anybody.
and the movie here called
Secret enemies.
Secret Enemies, guys.
Be careful of friend, guys. Be careful.
Yeah. And in the meantime, guys, I want to run go over my channel Life with Tia. But subscribe, guys. I have a whole heap of things planned for you guys. So just subscribe, like, share out the video them. Alright, I'm out. Big up, Maggy boss. I see you.
This ghost town. Is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, hell of a year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to find out? We know we've seen this all before. Just head for brighter shores here right now. Could be something so much more than wasted times here right now. Oh, like jet planes floating through night skies, we are alive.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, girl. How long me a call you not answer your phone? Me I tell you say me dey down the road. Okay, me dey down the road a forward. So me just want to know say you dey warm. Okay, girl, me all tired. When me say me tired like a dog, you know, man. Me tired, you know. But you say you not feel good or something. You tell me last night, so me say me have to stop by. Alright, me a come.
Never thought I'd be lost.
Whitney!
Yeah.
Whitney, oi!
Oi!
Hello, me I come through. A dog now over there.
No, girl, just open the gate and come.
Copy a dog there about this a place, you know. Where you there?
Come straight around now.
Alright.
Ay, Bakit na nahaon? Okay.
Me there. Girl, what do your eye?
No, not touching, not touching.
Whitney. Whitney, what wrong with your eye? What make your eye look so?
Why still I tell you the truth? I see a little altercation when I tell us I have with Mario. A big fight we have fun. Every day a fight.
Be a fight or not fight? Like seriously, Whitney?
That's the reason why I called you so late last night, no.
Why come like me don't know what they going in this place with fight. And you know so stick up in. As I talk about fight. You remember Mr. Brown, the supervisor in the dining room?
And him stick for me tomorrow.
You know say him and Trish catch up, big catch up, and me tell you say Trish had chuck off on table after him. But anyways, enough of them. Are you me a talk about now? So how much days sick leave you take?
Why? I don't know yet enough. Probably take 1 week. 1 whole week because I not got a doctor yet. So I got a doctor a little bit off of this and then I take the sick leave. But I call in sick.
Well, the good thing I call him sick, but differently, girl. How all of a sudden you and Mario a fight? And me don't know of Mario as this type of person. You and him did so loving. You there work and him call you. Sometimes you have to tell him say when I take a break you will call him back. Him all meet you at gate. Walk with you, go take taxi with your bag and all of them something there. So when it come to this,
Still the truth. I don't know.
no, something not right, Whitney. When me tell you say me and the girl in my dining room, you know, I always feel jealous how the boy I call you and I check up on you, you eat baby. Then the little, you know, the little gesture, the little romance. No man, something not right. Something not right. Right now, Whitney, right now it's stink over hotel. When me say stink, the whole department, all people in a different department know about it.
So how for my business reach a hotel? Only person know about this are you and Tamara and Mario himself. So I don't understand how it will reach my workplace.
Well, Whitney, me sure about myself, you know. Me can't talk for myself, say I know me. You understand? And me sure about Tamara. Because you and Tamara come from so far, me not think she do that. Remember say on the day they maybe I'll cuss loud, you know, so people in the community you don't know who work, which part we work, will live near you. So me don't know.
So right now I'm stressed. I don't know what to do. I'm stressed. I know it's just more on me.
So what you plan to do? Cause let me tell you something. Me will say something to you. I mean, no want you look for me now, we and cuss me and run me out of your yard. You understand?
I don't do that, man.
But it's only my opinion. You get what me say? You feel say have one next woman? Because Whitney, only when one man have one next woman, a fishy round, you see him go on so with woman in yard. So talk to me.
Boy, I don't know, you know, but I can see some Mario have something to hide for me, girl. And I don't know what. And it seems like she don't want to tell me or you don't know how to tell me. For him, we have showing me say I do something. After we are argue.
Girl, this looks strange. Something alright. You understand what I say? He have something to hide, Whitney. But guess what? Me not gonna be the one forgetting it. You and him have to work out, no problem. Differently still, you need for God doctor go check out the ID. And me the hug you and me see the ball for round and so you not fight back your boy?
Let me beg me fight back, boy. You see, I marry your maga. I first man, me see strong, so. When me see Mario, I'll throw me over bed, and me I say, no man. And you never used to do there something there. You not there with it, you know me at all. Mario strong now. You don't know where you get strength from.
So girl, tell me, where you really feel say go on in your relationship?
But you know, some of you say the same thing. Feel say a woman in have for true. You just feel say a woman in have.
So girl, make we break it down. Like, make we lay out everything on the table and get down to the nitty gritty. You see nothing in your phone, make you feel say a woman in have or not like that?
Well, no, you know.
So you don't see nothing in your phone and you don't see my move no suspicious way like mean like come home late. You know the little
No, he always come home on time. He's a man who love him food, no, so ever the on time to get him dinner, so off and make sure me alright. Me not see nothing but
they know you fear accuse him and say man of woman. Whitney, how you fear do that? How you fear accuse him man? No, talk to me man, talk to me. Cause me not understand what you try to say to me.
Celeste, listen to me. The other day me and Tamara sit down and she show me one little pre. Remember, you know, she make me know say when a man propose to the woman at the yard, they have somebody around where they don't want to see or something. A go on. Normally, man would have out the woman go propose to them public space, make everybody know say, yeah, female woman that. So through him propose to me a yard or something, and Tamara said something about him, sit down and me I really look into it and me I say, then we have a road, you know, once she say me and him there or whatever. And me ask him one question and when me ask the man the question, everything gone.
So, girl, sometimes I wonder if I'm a fool. You, sit down and talk back over where you talk again. Think about what you said a while ago. No, slowly. Come. No, talk to me now, man.
Me not just explain everything to you.
Girl, you're blind.
Well,
Eh? You're dumb or something. You're alright in your headspace. You really make people mash up your life, girl. No. Me can't believe. I really went Tamara said to you, you come home and they talk to the man about and
listen to me now. She all tell me how she want a friend, you know. When man proposed to her yard, you know. And when she got a road, she find out say a 3 baby mother the man have, you know. Me never did go say nothing to him, you know. But me come and me and say, let me just taste the water. And so when me say to the man, and that's when me see the man start move away. Everything gone down the hill.
you know say earlier you asked me who could I carry a business go work. And me did unsure, you know, because I know me. And me did think on Tamara. You understand? But I see right now, me have to think twice. Because what you just tell me, me think say Tamara they do it. Me feel say she they use her brain and try to mash up your life. You understand what I say? Look, let's watch her. Let me see your finger. Where your ring? You see there? Yeah, dash for the ring. What the ring? Eh? And come to think of it, you know, say girl they are work her brag and a boss so she soon get married.
No, sir. Tamara said she don't want to get married. She not married to the man. She don't want married to the man.
Yeah, you just sound delusional. Me I tell her something, yeah. No, sir. Me say girl they are work her brag and a boss. So she a get married to the man. It's the same man what she there with. The girl all a plan wedding, mama. When me say plan, I get all wedding planner for wedding and sitting. So how she get married and she not tell you? And you and her best friend, the two one who used to cross pedestrian crossing together, play hopscotch and all these things. No, sir.
No, man. I don't think Tamara. Tamara not plan not a wedding. I like Tamara tell you. Me and Tamara walk come from work every day. Tamara no want marry the man. Tamara tell me how the man proposed to him much time and he turned down the man. Tamara not married.
Girl, shut up. Shut up.
Celeste, I tell you now, my best friend, you know.
Alright, you know what? Are your best friend? And me I tell you something. When me hear out of my own ears and see with my own eye, when she are sure the wedding planning and everything, and you tell me say Tamara not do that.
Maybe she just a run one look a prank pound or something. I must look a joke, man.
A joke. Boy, you're delusional bad.
Celeste, you come to criticize me or you come to talk to me?
You know what? You look like me a chat too much. I'm in a liar. So you know what me I gonna do? Me I gonna leave your place. You understand? Cause I don't want me you have nothing. Say Tamara. So you have a wonderful day. You're good differently do. Eh? You eat from morning?
Then the most.
Alright, later. Alright, sir.
Tamara plan with me. You get Tamara fool on.
Sir. Well, I know my next phone day. Cause me really have to go record this situation here, you know, because this sticky. I go and call the Tamara she. And me go show witness say. And a lie me I tell. I no prank. Hello?
Wagwan Celeste.
Me there, my girl, you good?
Yeah man, me good. What you deal with?
You know, so me there do when me left work early today, you know.
Eh, so no sister and the girl did a fight today.
Yeah, me see Mr. Brown and the girl a fight, yes. But I not really that me call you fast still, you know. I call you to ask about the wedding. When you are married and then look away, them want know about the wedding cause me anxious.
Girl. With the and man and everything and he did set everything. Me give you invitation soon.
Oh, come me that one day if you not invite me for me come eat cake and you know the little festivity there.
Yeah man.
So hold on there, you not tell Whitney too.
Girl, of course me I go tell Whitney.
But me think of the she first said I go tell na your bestie, na your bench and batty, uno be.
Yeah, Whitney I'm a bench and batty, but you see true man the man I go through a heap of problem and fighting. Me just say me I will have me go tell her as a surprise.
Yeah. Alright then, I just that me did want to know about, you know, come want to know if you not invite we for eat cake and happy for you and a little way there, but
Of course.
anyways, I dey hurry, so in a later.
Alright, mama, later. Have a wonderful day.
Alright.
Celeste, I just left ya. Anything you want to me can talkie.
Girl.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. You hear me? I tell you? Here, Wagwan. Me just send something for your phone, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to listen. Listen keenly and wise up. You hear me, I tell you? Alright, we don't talk. Yeah, man.
So hold on there. You not tell Whitney too.
Girl, of course me I go tell Whitney.
But me think of this she first said I got tell na your bestie, na your bench and batty, no be.
Yeah, Whitney I'm a bench and batty, but you see true man, the man I go through heap of problem and fighting. But just say, me I wanna go tell her as a surprise.
Yeah.
Right?
Alright then, I just that me didn't want to know, but you know, come on, know if you invite with a cake and happy for you and then go away the bud.
Of course.
Anyways, I don't hurry.
Seriously? No, sir. No, sir. Celeste,
Huh? Yeah.
me hear what you're saying and me see what you're saying me, but not say nothing, you see me? Everything good, man.
But now someone make you right this way, no girl. So me I say already I make that for the 200. So you fi know how to apply where you apply, you understand?
Yeah, man. Me I go a doctor, you know. So me I go a doctor and then carry me sick leave over hotel. So me make you know everything go.
Hold on there, Whitney. You know what I'm saying? Try not call me name and make nobody know say I'm mixed or nothing, you know.
Celeste,
Yeah,
come on now. Come on. Me a big woman, you know.
because I make you know because I know your mouth sleep.
My mouth not sleep, so no. Me not do that, man.
Alright.
Yeah, so me make you know everything go. Alright.
Wanna bathe myself in you. Wanna break my soul in two. 'Cause I would die to give what I take. Illusions are still on my skin. They mind us ignoring and pulling me in. They mind us center of my gravity, limitless reality. I wanna be holy like you. I wanna be fully consumed.
Whitney, baby! Come right, Whitney on the arm. Tell us some love you same way now every day, just make we a cuss so. Whitney! She just accuse me saying no Whitney every day, just make we a cuss so every day, Whitney. How are you there? How are Whitney there? How is she gone? How am I not here for now? So you come and not say nothing. And you not even cook nothing. You used to cook one time and you stop do it. You even wash and not wash for me again. You go on, man. You go on, man. Me must find out how much money I have, you know. Remember me tell her that. Me must find out.
How much you give me, man?
Yo, you change. You know that? You change. All of a sudden from engage, everything just gone down the hill. You change like green lizard. Fast. A best thing you go on from what you know with me. You know that, do?
You alright, you know, Mario?
Me alright. Just know say everything good, you know. Me must find out one day, you know, which boy about the place, you know. And if you know, no man, this must change because can't hold you, they hold you, you know. Yo, you see right now, you come like on a yacht so me live because I don't feel comfortable. So I go back out the road, which part my friend them there, where I feel more comfortable around. You hear me, I tell a girl.
You know, go on. You care? I have to be na do. Oh, see you left a run back with them, I go take them up.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but I really know nothing about what you need me to say. Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that I better do something. You are no good to me.
Hello?
Hello.
Tamara.
Oh,
Girl.
Wagwan.
Wagon. Well, me got a doctor, you know, me carry me sick leave. You not come look for me.
Yeah, me a come look for you, but I true me busy at work.
Girl, more you come look for me, man. Cause, you see that you make Celeste come look for me already before you. And me I have... No,
No, I true me busy, man. Me tell Celeste that me a come look for you.
girl, you should make Celeste come look for me before you. Me I come from far. We are best of friend. You should have reached a long time.
Me sorry about that. Yeah, me a
I want you come look for me tomorrow, you know, because me have something I want to say to you.
Alright. Yeah, we see me bright and early tomorrow.
Make sure, you know. Me a time you come in, me mind, me know what time your shift end.
No worry yourself. Me say me a come. Me say me a come. Me a come.
Alright then.
You finish the plate?
I work on that.
You know, see, my friend call me Whitney.
She has to go on.
She said she's sick and one of our colleagues then come look for her at home. Me not come look for her yet, but me kinda give her a break because every minute she and her boyfriend a fight and so. Me never want to go over there because people always say bird of a feather flock together. So me no want the bad energy or negative energy go come for mash up for me a relationship, you understand? Whereas other night you go tell me say we are gonna start planning for a wedding or something. I just not want the negative energy around me. I just stay positive, you know?
So I make money man and things. I make them out.
Well,
It's not nice.
well to me, Whitney just bad because she no want listen what man have to say. She no want cook for him man, she no want wash him man clothes and then sitting there. And him a blame him man saying have woman or something so. I just that a problem. That's why Worse, me always tell her say she can't blame her man, you know. Because she accused the man of having next woman and picking out there and something. And you know why I had for this thing too? The girl that show him a engagement ring where man give him. See a bush. Tell me what can go so. She just don't have no brain. Plus, me feel like she ever tip a bad man against me. So, that's why me I stay far from her. Because I can't bother with them this something.
Well, you know, I'm gonna say something about your friend and you take me on because I have lost enough say something about your friend and them something there. You understand?
Yeah.
But differently though. You take a page out of your book, you make you cook, you clean, you wash, you do everything for me and you take care of me so you should do the same thing, you see me? And you can't just jump on and accuse somebody, say them do this and them. You see me, as I said before, I get in an affair or whatever is going on over the part there, stay over there so guys. Me and me, you and me and there so that type of free little thing, you understand what I'm saying?
You see, it's a fit wife role though. And you know want give me a ring.
Start yeah.
Me not done pan me just say
We
it.
don't say yeah, we are work with the thing if you see me say now have to talk about it again. You see me, but as me I say alright, this proof to me say yo I'm there with a good man, you understand? I mean appreciate it. Yeah, really appreciate it, you know? And you know say come to think of it, me see the nigga down the road, like the man like a Batman drink up even rum can and lick him. Why me I tell us me feel the feel when me see him and they say judge yeah. I would just look on him and shake me, doesn't me? Me never know say yo, but say but still me just realize say I'm with a good woman and as I said before about the relationship, I should get a long time because you know go fit it.
I deserve it.
Yeah.
So back to planning. I called the wedding planner this morning and she was saying
I'm excited so.
Whitney!
Open the gate and come now.
Girl, your gate lock.
Watch out. Me don't know you're lucky now, must that the one that lucky.
Oh,
Family left you up here. What happened?
gee, over there, yeah.
Come on, yes, sir. Alright, hold on then. I go for a chair on the sun come back. I know it was hot.
Alright, no problem.
Come there.
Hurry up. Thanks. So where you sit there, I know.
You're not even reach good yet. And you ask me about I. No, me call you and tell someone to talk to you.
Alright. Wait. What happened to your eye? I see him fight when you marry a fight because I really want to know.
Tamara, what you think?
You tell us that the boy there you lose his mind from wait. Wendy.
You know there man, you know come from work yet.
I tell us that the boy there lose his mind from what day now. If it's your joke.
Speaking of Mario, I want to ask you something.
What is that?
I know you take this the wrong way, but if you tell me, say, you are getting married and you don't tell me.
Whitney, I know what you think.
Maybe man know me think.
I know what you think. Let me tell you. It's the truth you're married, I go through no problems and something. Me never just want to go and drop it for you, so I just did that wait off a little bit. But you know, so you have to do my wedding.
Tamara, listen to me now. The first person me tell when time Mario proposed to me was you. Moreover, you tell me say you don't ready for married. So all of that kind of now bother me. So how come as me I had the conversation the other day, all of a sudden you are get married?
And I say I'm me ready at Tivan. Because one night he must say you ready now if you get married. And I say Tivan, I'm not ready yet, and he must say, oh yeah, next man out there. That's why you don't want to get married. So I say, alright then Tivan, fine. But me never want to tell you because me don't want to feel like a bad mind. That's why me did keep it until everything blow off a little bit, me can't tell you. Come here, I wonder how as you ready to get married, Tivana pressure me to get married. So me just never want, me sorry. Me really and truly sorry. And you are my best friend and you are the first person me should have run to. Me should have got work and say it to nobody else. Me sorry, you can forgive me?
Tamara, me forgive you, yes, no, but me just don't like the fact that you hide it from me and makes me have to hear your road. But by the way, how you know say I work me here?
Because I work at all the place me talkie. But anyways,
Listen to me.
and my business that still, so.
Yeah. But what me want to know is my little altercation when me have in here so over here so with Mario. Obviously you know reach a work.
What? But me not tell nobody I work a business.
Well, me here say stink of work. All different department where nothing know. All people where we not work with me, people me and them are no friend know.
I must prank me because me not say nothing to nobody. Unless a Mario walk around, cause other day my man tell me say see Mario drunk a road, you know, car almost lick him down, you know.
Why everything you don't want to put it on Mario? Everything you don't say a Mario, like you want me blame me Mario. So me in a workplace we talk about Mario the road. Mario not have nothing to do with my workplace.
So what if Mario see one of your co-worker them and say
listen to me, all the
whatever
person Mario know are you and Celeste.
see that's all? Right, that's how you get the answer. I feel Celeste do it. Cause I know me. And me I come from too far for me do that to you.
Celeste no see Mario fan win. Mario no. Don't ask me how me know. Don't ask me how me know that. Just know say me know. Me not and say me I blame me or anything, you know. Just know say me know. And don't ask me how me know.
Okay, I see the procedure. Speak your mind. Tell me what the on your mind because obviously something the on your mind. Like you want to come blame me for your problem them. Talk. Let me know what one. Talk. What the on your mind? Talk. Talk now.
Tamara, listen to me. You don't need to flare up on a go on so. Me make a couple phone calls. And every call me make, they have to say, are you. I come down to the workplace and I talk things.
Listen to me. I don't say nothing to nobody. I want them to go down at PS3 and one lady ask me for you. And I tell her, say, you know, come back and work for now because you go through some things. I never tell her your business.
I know you. I know Mario. I know Celeste. Why I don't know
Girl, bush of ears. Because when time you marry over you mash down the place and something, people on the road can pass and hear to you.
And how you would have reached in a food department?
I don't know, but I know me. So when you ask Celeste,
Girl, me na feel see her Celeste.
Oh!
Me na feel see her.
Okay. Okay, Sammy. And me a go road and talk your problems them. I see a procedure. A bad man, true me a get married and you a have problem in your relationship, you look a witch. That's why your man in a problem.
Tamara.
Don't call me name in your mouth. Don't call me name because me and your friend and then you want to come put other people over me. Girl, I will tell her, don't ramp with me here. Process.
No, sir. What really just happened?
Wanna bathe myself in you. Wanna break my soul in two. 'Cause I would die to give what I take. Illusions are still on my skin. They mind us ignoring and pulling me in. They mind us center of my gravity, limitless reality.
I want to do that the one day. Ooh. Ooh.
Mario. Mario. May I ask you one question? You feel say I accuse me, I accuse you? Mario. You know, give me a talk to you. Mario. 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 Come, give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Come, go and go lie down. Come on. Come, go and go lie down. Go on.
Man, I'm so warm. I'm feeling me up. Cause right now I'm pop, you know.
Come, lie down, lie down. You want some feet?
So you know say a top cook give me.
Stop a foolishness that me out. You want? You want some feet?
You serious?
Me I look out something for you to eat here. Just lie down, me so come.
I can't remember do this. Boy, I tell him I love rum, you see.
Mario, come here. Come on, Tasso.
Hold me there. Man, let me dropping out with me.
Come here, never send a drink. Sit down, Tasso. Come, drink this.
But Whitney, I don't poison, I try poison me Whitney.
Mario, stop acting your foolish now. It's good for you, drink this.
After me no full taste some first time drink, but time no junk.
We mean by taste some first. You really feel someone that try to do something?
Come like a dream, me a dream right now. This look too. Come like a dream, me a dream. This don't look good. Taste some first.
Satisfied now?
No satisfy her for wait look. Anything where you put in then I go work immediately. Time drunk but me know me no fool. Wait look.
And they so really rich. If you say mother poison you.
Alright, give me it now. If anything I two we are go done.
And take time and mind to burn up yourself.
Alright.
Who's spot me that she ring again?
But wait, why am I look for down this stuff? You really look for.
Jesus.
Me on top drink rum. I love rum, I love rum, I love rum going to bed.
Like this, a girl and I know me, you know. Tivan! Tivan! Look like him not come yet.
Wagwan girl.
Celeste,
Yes, wagwan.
what you walk on me for? Are you hypocrite?
Girl, hypocrite to do what?
Okay, my name go Whitney Yard. Go tell Whitney say me a care business come and work and I tell people.
Girl. Me.
No, me. Of course you. Then I could have who?
Girl. No.
What you mean?
Girl, I just really call my phone for.
Of course. After me not tell nobody I want somebody me detail. And you gone care back.
You see? You just say you not tell nobody, then you have to want somebody you tell. Eh?
Yes, so mother life you know why you came in name gonna Whitney Yard. That she gonna catch bad mind. Eh? True me they get married. And she not get married.
Girl, me not tell Whitney no. So not call mix me.
Then I who tell Whitney? Cause me not see who else would I got Whitney I go tell Whitney. And you and Whitney a friend and me and Whitney a friend. So you are all the person me know. Would I go tell her that?
So me ask you something.
Mm.
Whitney tell you say me tell her so.
Yes, just a while ago me I left her yard and she tell me everything where you got here go tell her. And she tell me.
She said me.
Yes,
Tell her
she
so.
said you. She said you sister you.
She could have never tell her that, but it's alright.
Me say you she say it to her. You come her yard and she even ask me say oh you can look for her before me.
Boy, me not believe her no. Cause my friend not said that. And she could have never said that.
Well, your business if you no one believe can believe kill and believe cure. And over there me I come from and all more than know say you go look for her before me.
Girl, stop mix up my name, yeah.
And you finna mix up my name, mama. And you see anytime I see you on road, me go slap you in your face. And that me I tell you.
I must promise me that you can't do that.
Watch and see, girl. Watch and see.
One of
You think me afraid of you?
you waste of time.
And you a waste of time. Come on from my phone. This big fat cow. hang up on me. You bright her face to wait till me buck your girl. Watch what happen to you.
Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right, but I really know nothing about what you need me to say. Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that.
Girl, I'm just face me a ramp with her. Face me a ramp with her. Wait, Lee! How that? A silence!
So girl, open the gate and come in now.
Hello, me now open the gate out just say me want you. Come here, so.
So your babe so strong for?
Girl, me no want you call up me name, me no. Me and your friend, let me tell you this. You see right now, I done the friendship you done. Me can't believe say you really let me confide in Anna pinch I tell you, hey, let me tell you this. No call up my name. Me? And let me tell you this again. You say no see with their work, don't chat to me. When you see me on the left, take it right. Still it's me.
No, girl, no bother with you. Me tell you some love and joke too much, you know.
Me look at me and joke.
So when me call your name?
No, me look at me and laugh. Eh? Give the call up my name to your little butter ears friend. When I mean you're no good. Eh? Me? Hey girl, me say, you see if I never one thing? You see if I never one thing?
You're gone far now, you know. You're gone far now. Which part me go to friend and call your name? You say if you have nothing to do, no come on me and come bother me.
Yeah, what me I say do? See me and go like you not see me. And that me I tell you.
Business?
Lick off your face to girl.
No, can't do it. Can't lick off my face.
And me have strength for your man when they beat you.
You're lucky at least my beat more you get.
Right.
In the middle of this ghost town, is this the end where everything goes down? Are we gonna push through to find out? Working through all these issues, hell of a year, all the things we've been through. Are we gonna stick around to find out? We know we've seen this all before, just head for brighter shores. Here right now, we could be something so much more than wasted times. Here right now,
It's a girl Kayla and I'm here representing for Maggy Films. Big up Maggy Films. One Maggy Films.
Yo, give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. Turbulence the future, we have to endorse with Maggy Films.
Eh? What's the name in the office, Mr. Why
That's a good, sir. What's a cooler, you know, sir?
I'm not cool out here, jackass out there, so. Cause who the hell can name me no know?
Sir, I know pay a jackass live up there, sir. You see over there, sir, if you go over there, sir, enough come over there.
Listen.
And then be a jackass up there, sir.
But that's what I'm telling you, take up your book. Everything where you get at school, take it. You know what I'm saying?
Don't make the dirty fool, you don't know nobody.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
You know, it's something where they were both and the person the pan and go up in her ear. Yeah. That me want go pan.
You see something know? You want to feel something know sign the segregation.
So you're making her do this? That's why I don't like you, witch. Oh, stupid.
girl.
What they think about me, I don't care though. Too busy getting money, getting pesos. Big business.
Jamaican bad boy, you got to walk. You got to walk like a bad boy, right?
Okay.
You got to do something like this, you know what I mean? And do your head like this. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Hold on. Where am I at?
No, man, make that channel and done. Right now, I'm not doing business with that, you know. God, no. You know what I mean, I'm not done.
Don't bother feel like me forget. You have sense?
What's that?
Eh? You have
A
sense?
big man, I do that.
You have sense?
No,
So,
stop me.
say,
Boy. Boy, I think you're talking. What are you doing about, boy? What are you doing?
oi!
Yeah, boy, what are you doing about?
No!
Just chop up in a bit.
Watch episode 4. I'll enjoy. Cheese.
Yeah, man. Cause we can't have too much on the drive up on the road we can't read. What is that? Boy, what a word ya?
Y'all take up with time, sir. Y'all take up with time.
You know, make this easier for yourself, you know?
You're inside too long now. Hello.
I soon come out. A long time ago,
Say
you.
all that. Say you don't know if them are playing a meal and carry you from Paris to Paris.
What's that? Are you?
Just peas, rich alive.
That's it. You don't see me, man. Me out
Rich
that's
alive.
Hey, boy. Get up. Boy, you hear me say get up.
Let me
Watch out.
get up for. Alright, no suit me, man.
Get up. The cash pot ticket then.
What this?
Eh?
Me not tell us, me no
Boy,
cash
cash pot. Hey, boy, cash pot ticket. You think I joke me I make?
Me not tell us, me no cash for ticket, brother.
Boy.
Mommy, and make sure you have one little account on the side when you know about.
Stefan, no money no dey on the card. Like literally no money. At all.
So you expect say money I go down every day you use you take off 30,000, 40,000.
I gotta work the thing about it. Come here and put a baby to and all of them something like.
You come like you play with him in the army and teach you now, Lana. You have to put pressure upon the man.
Hold on, go on like son, you know, subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling me say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. Ah, my son. Actually, in a year, but me never run down, you know.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, man. So, now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
I know you said what? No, you said boy.
Maggy Films.
Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.
Maggy Films.
Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.
TB, I don't know, say one Maggy Films me I represent for. And if you don't know, subscribe.
Yeah, man, they're not subscribers, see? Anna me, you know. Anna me call nobody pound, you know. Yeah. Anna me call Chopper Man, you know.
Maggy Films.
Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.